Gemini, what are we doing, bud? Champ, what are we doing? Are we gonna take the boat out? Day out on the boat. This handsome man. Was from the day before. We took the boat out yesterday, Monday. Today's Tuesday. I guess I'm trying to figure out what you guys want to see and how to film, I guess, the interesting stuff of my life and prep. But I just got back from the groceries, so I'll show you guys what I got. So I went to Aldi's and then Publix. Fun fact, growing up, when we would shop at Aldi's, I would always be embarrassed to shop there, but nowadays, I literally love it, and it's right by my house, so it's extremely convenient. So, I got my veggies, restocked on those. So right now, I'm eating zucchini, and then I eat green beans as well. Those are the two veggies that don't mess with my stomach. I've learned in the past that broccoli and Brussels sprouts do not set well with me. This is not for me, nor are those. So from Aldi's, I get my salmon there. If you guys have not tried it, it is literally, it's my favorite. And then I like the Mediterranean seasoned one. And these were half off for some reason. I don't know if I should be scared or what, but the date's fine. So that is, salmon's one of my protein sources that I'm eating right now, which will stay consistent till show day. Cucumbers, you know I love my cucumber with the kettle corn seasoning. You can get this at Walmart, and then some Publixes carry this. I usually have to travel out of my normal zone to go find that because I always buy out the kettle corn seasonings. I had to get some stuff for the pups. They love these. Mushrooms and spinach. My first meal, I make an omelet with my egg whites. Spinach and mushrooms, what I put in it. What else did I get? At Aldi's, they always have like different kinds of coffees that are usually on the cheaper side. So I'm trying the Island Coconut and the brown sugar crumble. So we'll see how those are. Bananas. I eat this with breakfast. Sugar-free creamer. I will cut this out eventually when I get closer to show day, but the Italian sweet cream is delicious. Egg whites. I usually get them at Costco, but I've really been dreading going to Costco. So these were on sale at Publix. We got some egg whites. Cream of rice. That is a carb source that I eat for breakfast, and then I also eat jasmine rice as my other carb source. And the rest is not mine. I wish I was eating bacon and Pop-Tarts, but that is not mine. So yeah, so my protein sources are salmon, egg whites. I ate chicken, I usually incorporate some shrimp in there for a meal, and then lean ground beef on leg days. So that is it. Super simple. As you guys know, I follow a meal plan. So right now I'm checking in twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. So depending if we change anything, I'll go back to the groceries and grab the stuff. But for right now, until I check in tomorrow, this is what I am eating. All right, guys, I wanted to show you a delivery I got in the mail. I've been waiting for these. Unfortunately, I cannot try these right now because I am in prep, but they'll go in the freezer, and then I got some from Michael, so he'll be able to taste them for me. Oh, this is crooked. That's straight now. So the company's called Cookies by the Gram. I've ordered from there before. I think I've had 3 other drops now. They're based in the Sarasota, Bradenton area. So their theme this time for their drop was like the Girl Scout cookie theme. I love Girl Scout cookies. Look how cute their logo is. I'll give you a little note. Hey there, Cookie Monster. That is for sure me. Okay, so I think I ordered 2 of the Thin Mints because Michael's favorite is the Thin Mint, and I want to try the Thin Mint, so I ordered 2. And then the Tag Along and the Samoa. Oh my God. I'll show you guys. So these are the Thin Mint, Tag Along, and Samoa, which is the coconut. I hope I'm saying that right. So, super excited. I've got a little bit of time until I can taste this, but we're going to put them in the freezer. The company's Cookies by the Gram, and they're based in Sarasota, Bradenton area here in Florida. So check them out. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. I'm headed to a couple showings. If you don't know, I also do real estate. I kind of like stopped for a bit as I got closer to my shows last year, but I'm starting to pick it back up because I do need money. Unfortunately, right now with competing, it does not make a living for me, so I have to do other things. So I do a couple of different things for income. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, tell your friends about my videos. Hopefully as time goes on, they will get a little bit better, and I'm still trying to get in the groove of it, as I said before. But yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.